Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select an area on your canvas on the Clip Studio Paint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the toolbar on the left side on the screen and tap to the square icon under the arrows. Select a type and draw a part of the drawing around it. And you can move and edit the part. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.